Good afternoon, Figaholic friends. Today is Sunday, January 15th, 2023, about 1:30 p.m. I'm at 6 o'clock p.m. Tonight we plan to launch our annual fig cutting sale. We've done all the testing, updating and testing of our order page, and we're ready to start, but we want to use that time. I think for 3 years or 4 years now, we've started at 6 p.m. and it seems to satisfy the greatest number of people. This is our area where we ship our fig cutting orders. We have boxes and padded envelopes and regular envelopes ready for shipping. My wife Linda and our employee Roberto will be working out here. We might hire a part-time employee to give us a hand also. Tomorrow is not a shipping day because the post office is closed. Here's our walk-in cooler. We have thousands of cuttings here ready. The ones up on the top and on the bottom are not what I want to call excess, but they're overflow. So if we prune maybe 100 cuttings of one variety, that's just too bulky. We have 2 bags of it, so we have a second and sometimes a third bag up above. So here we have many varieties, and so if you order 3 Imprato, it's going to be item 0001. I added another 0 on there. I won't explain why, just for a control purpose. And it'll be -01 for tub 1. And so we have 25 tubs besides those overflow tubs there. Another 25 on this side here, going down to tub 50 there. Always working from left to right. And then we have some more tubs over here under our condenser. Again, we got some overflow up above and below here. So we keep it at 37 degrees, which the USA germplasm at Davis uses. And here we let the cuttings dry out after we sanitize them, but if they have some condensation after we put them, we leave the bags open for a few days or so until the condensation dries out. Tomorrow Roberto will go through these and close up some more bags. Here is one that is closed, and maybe we need to open that up again. I see condensation, so we kind of monitor that. Mold seems to be more of a problem. If that is, there's no problems that we spotted here so far. So anyway, thanks for your patience in waiting for our sale, but just wanted to give you a quick look on how our operation is set up here. Thanks again.